IIHS's tougher crash test. Outrider's new technology takes a robotic approach. A week-long strike comes to an end, and more. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Laura Harris. Welcome to Auto News Now. We'll hear more on those headlines soon. But first, our lead story. Small crossovers struggle to protect rear passengers in tough IIHS crash test. Only 2 out of 15 vehicles in the small crossover category earned a, quote, good rating in the first frontal crash test in the U.S. to include a rear dummy. The 2022 to 23 Ford Escape and the 2021 through 23 Volvo XC40. This rating is in the Institute's updated moderate overlap front evaluation. However, all 15 vehicles earned a good rating in the Institute's original crash test from 1995. Officials say the updated crash test is a challenge to manufacturers to bring the same benefits to the back seat. There's exciting news in the tech world. The autonomous yard truck company Outrider developed a system to robotically connect electric and pressurized brake lines to trailers and container chassis. The company uses robotic arms and reduces the need for drivers to constantly get in and out of the truck cabs to manually make the connections. The technology relies on software-based algorithms and hardware and sensors integrated into the robot arms. This is all part of Outrider's goal to provide electric self-driving trucks to automate freight yards. There's big news for Ram. The automaker recalls 1.4 million pickups globally, with about 1.2 million in the U.S., over a tailgate issue. The tailgates might not latch properly and could open while driving. Ram says the recall covers various 2019 through 2022 model year Ram 1500, 2500, and 3500 trucks. The company says it has no reports of crashes or injuries. You can read more on these stories in our newsletter, The Daily. To subscribe, go to the More section on our website and click Newsletters on the left side of the screen. We've been following this story closely about an ongoing strike, and now Autoneum workers are ending a strike after a new contract was reached. Roughly 270 workers at the Bloomsburg, Pennsylvania plant reached an agreement with the automotive insulation supplier. This ends a nearly week-long strike by Local 1700. Asbury sells 9 North Carolina dealerships to Hudson Automotive. Until the Asbury deal, it had been a mostly quiet year on the transaction front for Hudson Automotive. And for Asbury, it's the group's second batch of divestitures this year.
It's not only essential innovation, it's critical right now. It's something that the automakers need from the supply base.
That's our automotive news editor, Lindsay Chappell, a moderator of our PACE Innovation Partnership panel from our Detroit Congress event. Automaker Hyundai and software innovator Sonatus partnered together to combine automotive knowledge with technology and solutions that accelerate vehicle software innovation, together reaching new horizons.
You have to put away the old traditional ways that you do your product development and understand that there are others that can do it better. And if you work together as a partner and develop and integrate their products and processes within your product and processes, it's best for all.
A transitioning auto industry requires a shift in the way automakers and suppliers work together. President of Hyundai America Technical Center, John Robb, and CEO of Sonatus, Jeff Chow, did just that.
Actually, we were very fortunate to have a partner and a customer in Hyundai. They had a vision around how software should work in their vehicles. And fortunately, they were open to working with us.
Earlier this year, their innovative partnership was recognized with an Automotive News PACE Award. The Silicon Valley startup worked with Hyundai Motor Group to develop Digital Dynamics, a holistic software-defined platform that lives both in the vehicle and in the cloud, that allows Hyundai to manage vehicle behavior, letting engineers harness vehicle data, control and secure vehicle connectivity, and remedy problems without requiring software updates.
This software will allow us flexibility along with a safe interface for our development processes as well for our customers and flexibility for change in the future.
The two executives say that redefining traditional OEM and supplier relationships when it comes to software is vital if both sides are to learn from each other.
I need a supplier to come show me how to do this. I need a partner. You know, tell us what we're doing wrong, tell us how we can do this better. That's innovation.
Chow says Hyundai's partnership with Sonatus was mutually beneficial because it allowed the startup to successfully expand into the automotive sector with a trusted guide.
You don't know what you don't know today. So the idea here is to open it up, and so that new ideas will continue to come and it will continue to disrupt this industry. So that's the excitement.
Thank you to both our panelists and moderator for taking the time to speak with us. And thank you to all of our guests for attending our final Congress event of the year. That's all we have today for Auto News Now. Thanks for watching, everyone. Be sure to follow us on Twitter at AutoNewsTV and online at autonews.com for updates from our reporters all day, every day. I'm Laura Harris. Have a great night, and I'll see you all next time.